Okay, this is the last lab in our IPv6 configuration lab lessons. In this lab we will do some security. We will create IPv6 access control list to prevent any traffic originated by this network from getting in our topology. And also we will filter any traffic not originated, actually forwarded by the ISP router from getting our topology. So we will prevent the traffic comes from this network, and we will filter any traffic forwarded by this router towards our topology. We will use router 3 to do these two tasks. Okay, but before enable or create IPv6 access control list, we have to verify whether the iOS that we are currently using supports the types of ACL. There are basically two types of ACL: standard and extended. Standard ACL can permit or deny a traffic based only on the source address, while the extended ACL provides greater control and can permit or deny traffic based on both source and destination address, as well as based on protocols and services, like for example TCP or UDP port numbers. So we have to know the iOS that we are currently using supports which type of ACL. According to Cisco, all the recent iOS support the standard and extended type of ACL. Okay, now let us first deny any traffic originated by the network 2001:DB8:CE00:1:64. Okay, so configure terminal. Remember, we are working on router 3. First we need to create the access list. So IPv6 access list, we will give the name for the access list like that: 2001 no 2001 no dash 2001 dash DB8 dash CE00-1. So we use the this is CE00-1. We use the IP address in the name of the network that we want to deny the traffic comes from it in the name of the access list, just for referencing. Now the access list is created. Now we want to configure so the first configuration is to deny 2001:DB8:CE00:1:64. We want to deny any traffic comes from this network. And now we want to permit any other traffic. So okay, the access list is created and is configured with two configuration, deny and permit. Let us check. We can check by show IPv6 access list command. Very good. This is the access list that we have created, and we configure we put two configuration actually, to deny the traffic comes from this network and to permit any other traffic. Good. Now we want to filter any traffic forwarded by the ISP router, and we will use this interface because this interface is directly or is facing the ISP router. So we will use this interface in our configuration. Okay, the command used to do the filter or do the filtering is IPv6 traffic filter. So config terminal, interface is S00. This interface, okay, we are here in router 3 and we want to configure this interface to filter the traffic comes from this router. Okay, so interface 00, okay, enter. Yes, S00. Okay, we will use IPv6 traffic filter command for the specific access control that we are creating. So so we will use the same name, no dash 2001 dash CE 00-1 from getting in. So the filter that comes from the traffic that comes from ISP router in this interface will be filtered. Good, and that's all. That's all. We can just check the yes, the access list. Okay, it is there, and now we do did the denying of any IPv6 traffic comes from the network, from the outside network, okay, or from getting in our topology. We denied this traffic, and also we are now enabling the filtering in this interface. Okay, that's all for our lab. So I would like to thank you to listen for these labs, and we will see you inshallah in our next lessons. Thank you very much.